Hello students, now we will study maths of standard 7th, chapter number 4, practice set 16. Question number 1, the measures of some angles are given. Write the measures of their complementary angle. First let me tell you students what is complementary angle. Complementary means, look here, the angle which is having 90 degree, that is complementary angle, and the sum of two angle that will give you 90 degree, you can say that is complementary angle. Be remember that complementary angle means the sum of two angle that will give you 90 degree, that is complementary angle. Like suppose here I have taken 50 degree and here I have taken 40 degree. So then this sum of angle is 40 plus 50 plus 40, this will give you 90. So this is complementary angle, like this. Okay, now see here, in this first question 40 is given to you and you have to find the another angle. Like see here, now everyone know we have to see complementary angle, write the measures of their complementary. So in this one angle is given to you, that is 40 degree, and you have to find the another angle. So how you will find? See, we will write here, let the measure of the complementary angle, we have to find this, of 40 degree be x. Okay, for this angle I have given the name x. Okay, like this you have to write the statement. Now I will write 40 plus another angle x is equal to 90 degree. So x I will take out outside, x is equal to 90 minus 40. 90 minus 40 will give you 50. So therefore the complementary angle of 40 degree is 50 degree. So your missing angle is 50 degree. You can plus and do 40 plus 50, that will give you 90. So this is correct. Same way you have to solve second. This is third students, second is back. See 45. Let the measure of the complementary angle of 45 be x. Now again one angle is given to you and another doesn't given to you. So for another I am writing x. You can write any alphabet A, B, like that. So I have written x. So 45 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Again I will take out x because I don't know the another angle, is equal to 90 minus 40, because here plus is there, so plus will become minus 45 sorry. So x is equal to 90 minus 45, it will give you answer 45. So the another angle is, the complementary of 45 degree is 45 degree. Like that you have to complete it. Now see the second which I told you, that is behind 63. Let the measure of the complementary angle of 63 be x. Now here 63 plus x is equal to 90 degree. I don't know x, so I will take out x outside, is equal to 90 minus 60. That will give you 27. So the complementary angle of 63 is 27. Same way you will solve 55 also. 20, here 90. Now see the x. This you have to find it. Here no number is given to you, here they have given you x. So what you will do, don't be confused students. Here let the measure of the complementary angle of x degree be y. That means x is given to you and you have to take out y, right? So x plus y is equal to 90. What we don't know? We don't know y. So I will take out y outside and 90 minus x I will do. So 90 minus x is the y degree. So the complementary angle of x degree is equal to 90 minus x. Now see the question number 2. Y minus 20 and y plus 30 are the measure of the complementary angles. Find the measure of each angle. Here they have given two angles. y minus 20 and y plus 30. They already told this is complementary angle. So now what you will do in this, you have to find y. See how we will find it. Here I have written x minus 20 plus x plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. Why I have written 90? Because of complementary. They have told here are the measure of the complementary angle, and what you have to find the measure of each angle. We have to find the each angles. So now here the sum of the measure of complementary angle is 90 degree. Everyone know that. So now I will take out bracket and write here y minus 20 plus y plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. Now this y and this y will become 2y plus this minus 20 plus 30 minus plus minus. So 30 minus 20 will give you 10 is equal to 90 degree. Like this you have to solve this. Now 2y we don't know, so we have taken out 2y. 90, this plus will become minus 10. 90 minus 10. Again 2y is equal to this 90 minus 10 will give you 80. Now in this I will take out y outside and 80 here to down. Now in 2 table 80 how much za? 40 za. So y is equal to 40. That means we get the value of y, that is 40 degree. Now what we will do? We will put in the place of y 40 minus 20 in first, and in second 40 plus 30. Like that we will do. See here. First y minus 20. Y value we know, that is 40 minus 20. What is the answer? 20. Second also y plus 30. 40 plus 30, 70. So therefore the measure of the angles are 20 degree and 70 degree respectively. Like that you have to solve question number 2. So thank you students. In the next video I will show you practice set 17.